A Father's Love Lost and Found.
Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a girl named Lily. She was 12 years old with bright eyes full of dreams. But deep inside, her heart carried a weight too heavy for a child her age. Her father, Mr. Ben, was known around town as a charming man. He had a big smile for everyone, except for Lily and her mother. While he spent his nights with different women, Lily and her mom sat alone at the dinner table. Each night, Lily stared at the empty chair where her father should have been. Why doesn't Dad love us? She wondered. As the days passed, Lily's heart grew colder. She started staying out late, hanging with older kids who didn't care about school. She skipped her classes, ignored her teachers, and even got caught stealing candy from a store. If Dad doesn't care about me, why should I care about anything? She thought. Her mother tried to talk to her, but Lily was angry. You're just like him. You let him do whatever he wants, she yelled before storming to her room. The truth was, Lily didn't want to be bad. She just wanted someone to notice her. One day, Lily got into serious trouble. Her so-called friends convinced her to sneak to an old warehouse. It was dark and dangerous. While climbing up some old stairs, she slipped and fell, hurting her leg. The pain was sharp and tears filled her eyes. Her friends ran away, leaving her alone. Her mom got a call from a stranger who found Lily crying on the ground. When her mother arrived, she hugged Lily tightly. Tears rolled down her face. I'm sorry, Lily. I should have seen your pain, her mom whispered. Later that night, Mr. Ben came home. His shirt smelled of perfume that wasn't his wife's. For the first time, Lily didn't hide her anger. Why are you even here? You only care about yourself, she shouted, her voice cracking with hurt. Her father was shocked. He had always seen Lily as a child who wouldn't understand, but her words cut him deep. For days, those words echoed in his mind. He started coming home early, sitting at the table with them. It wasn't easy for him to change. Temptations were still there, but he saw how much his absence had hurt his family. One evening, he sat beside Lily. I'm sorry, Princess, he said softly. I've been a terrible father, but I want to be better. Will you give me a chance? Lily did not answer right away. Trust isn't something you give back instantly. But that night, when her father stayed home to help her with her homework, she felt something she hadn't felt in a long time. Hope. A father is not just someone who provides for his family, but someone who protects their hearts. Children need love, attention, and guidance. When fathers neglect their role, their children may seek love in the wrong places. But it's never too late to change. A father's love can heal even the deepest wounds.